to the ignition and step on the gas. Let's go.
What a going, guys, welcome again back to another Let's Go JA Tours, and today we're going to be taking a trip from Fairway Avenue all the way to Trafalgar Road. On this route we're going to see the recently built AC Hotel, as well as the British Embassy, the Cuban Embassy, and many more. So don't forget, guys, to like and subscribe to allow this channel to grow. Now relax, drink a red stripe, and enjoy the ride. So we've just made our way onto Fairway Avenue, and this avenue will take us all the way to Lady Musgrave Road. So we're currently at the Seymour Avenue intersection. So coming up on our left, we'll be passing the Windsor Avenue, and this avenue is the home of the High Commission of Trinidad and Tobago, as well as the Medical Association of Jamaica. And as you can see, right in front of us to our left is the back entrance to the AC Hotel. So as the ambulance drive past, just to note that here in Jamaica, there's no real 911 or 119 service here in Jamaica. The ambulances are normally privately owned, and thus they will require a charge to be used. And if you look right in front of us, to the distance to the left, you see a lot of new apartments that are being built. I'm thinking roughly around maybe 8-9 stories high. And now to the left we see the BMW and Mini showrooms, as well as the front entrance to the newly built AC Hotel. That's a new hotspot in Jamaica. Wonderful restaurants, lovely ambiance. It's a very chill area for you guys if you want to visit and just have a few drinks after work. There's also a Starbucks there, so if you're coffee lovers, you want your Starbucks, that's a spot to go to as well. So we're currently on the Lady Musgrave Road, and we'll be taking a right onto Trafalgar Road at the stoplight. So to our left, we are passing the Cuban Embassy. Also to our left, we're passing the University College of the Commonwealth, their Trafalgar branch. We are currently at the stoplight at the intersection of Worthington Avenue and Trafalgar Road. So to our left, we're passing the Spanish Court Hotel, and to our right, we're passing the British Embassy. So if we take the left turn at the light, that will take us onto Knoxford Boulevard, and that will take us into New Kingston. I did a tour of New Kingston, guys, so if you want to see New Kingston, you can watch that video. So as we are driving down on Trafalgar Road, that building to the right that we see, that's the NCB atrium building. That building to the left that we're passing is the Sagicor building. We're now at the intersection of Holborn Road and Trafalgar Road. And if we take the left that we're passing, that will take us onto Cuban Avenue, and on Cuban Avenue they're building a brand new set of apartments. We're now coming to the end of our video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to allow this channel to grow so we can continue to make content like this.